I welcome the students of class 6 on this online class. I am going to teach all of you chapter 3, and the name of the chapter is the banyan tree. This is very interesting story, and this story has been written by the famous foreigner writer whose name was Ruskin Bond. This is the best creation of Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond was a famous story writer of his time. We are going to study this interesting story. The name of the story is the banyan tree, अर्थात बरगद का पेड़. The writer himself is the main character of this story. I am going to tell all of you the summary of this story because the lesson is very vast, very big, and it is not possible to take in very little time to handle the lesson. My dear students, it was the season of summer season, and the writer, who was a simple boy, school going boy, he had gone to meet his grandfather in the village. The house of his grandfather was in the middle part of the village. There was a big orchard, a big garden, a big farmhouse near the house of his grandfather. The writer, yani ki Ruskin Bond, used to pass his entire time in playing the orchard. There was a big, old, splendid banyan tree in the middle part of the orchard, where the writer Ruskin Bond used to play entire time. He used to expend his time under the shade of banyan tree. He had made a special cabin under the complex of the old branches in the dense leaves of banyan tree. From that place he used to study, he used to watch, he used to read his story books. From that place he used to watch the below area of the banyan tree, under the banyan tree. The story begins with, it was the midday time, and hot breeze was blowing very fastly. The writer was on the top of the banyan tree. Suddenly he saw a big black cobra emerged from the cactus bush, and a mongoose also appeared there from the dense bushes. You know that a cobra, snake, or a mongoose both are enemy to each other. A mongoose always try to kill the cobra, and a cobra always try to kill the snake to pour its poison in the body of the mongoose. But it is the bad luck of a snake that it never can be successful to kill any mongoose. The fight began. In few time, the cobra stuck on the mongoose several times, but it could not become successful to defeat the mongoose in the fight. No doubt in it that cobra was a skillful and experienced fighter, but the mongoose was a superb fighter, and its body is very active. Its size was 10 feet. There were two witnesses also in the garden near the fight began. On the cactus, a black crow and a myna was also watching the fight between mongoose and the cobra. Whenever the snake became failure to hit on the mongoose, or the crow all used to fly and went near the cobra and hit on its body very sharply from its beak. But the crow and myna repeated this game again and again. But in the second part of this fight, the cobra again got a chance, and it stuck its hood on the body of the crow, and the crow's body became poisonous and it fell and died. The fight began again with mangoes and the cobra, and it not continue till a long time. In the last of the story, the mangoes became successful to kill the cobra, and it carry the dead body of the cobra inside the bushes to take its meal, the tasty meal. And the man was alone there watching the fight, and she announced the victory of the mangoes. Actually, Ruskin Bond is very good writer, and the scene, the critical circumstances, and the incidents of this story are very critical, are very good. The writer has tried to make this story very interesting and amazing, so that the viewer, so that the listener, so that the readers can imagine, can take interest on reading this story. My dear students, we shall study this story again in our classes. Today the story ends in this part. Thank you. Have a nice day for all of you.